Hi, Julie.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Do you consent to be on my assessment video today?
I do.
Okay, good. I'm going to wash my hands. We're first going to start with assessing your cranial nerves. I'm going to take a look in your eyes. I'll have you take your glasses off. Good. Good. Now I'm going to have you stand up. From 20 feet away, I will have you cover the right eye first and tell me the lowest line you can read.
The fourth one.
Just read it off. Yep.
MDMJBS.
Great. Left side.
And that would be the third one, fourth down, one down, DLGF.
Okay. All right. You can sit down again. I'm going to take a look at your extraocular eye movements. So I'm going to raise your eyes up and I'm going to have you follow my finger with your eyes. Good. I'm going to put one finger up at a time and I want you to look at them with both eyes. Good. Okay. And now I'm going to assess your smell. So first I'm going to close one nostril, have you breathe in the other. Good. And now I'm going to have you close your eyes. I'm going to test your sense of smell. I want you to tell me what the smell is.
Alcohol.
Okay, next one.
Alcohol.
Good, okay. Now I'm going to test your hearing. First, I want you to tell me if you hear it more on the right side, left side, or in the middle. I'm going to place this on your head.
Middle.
Okay. I want you to tell me if you hear it more here or next to your ear.
Next to my ear.
I didn't finish yet.
Right there.
Okay. I'm going to do a whisper test. I want you to tell me which word I'm saying.
Orange. Orange. Apple.
Good. Okay. Next, I'm going to test your sense of sensation on your face. This is going to be soft, and this is going to be sharp. I want you to close your eyes and tell me what you feel.
Sharp. Soft.
Good.
Sharp.
Good.
Soft.
Good. Okay. I'm going to test your corneal reflex. Good. Okay, good. And now I'm going to have you smile. Okay, I'm going to have you move your jaw from side to side. Good. I'm going to have you stick your tongue out. Move your tongue from side to side. Good. I'm going to have you shrug your shoulders against my hands. Good. And I'll have you squeeze your neck muscles. Good. Okay. And then I'm going to just take a look inside your mouth. I'll have you take a swallow before I do that. Okay. And then I'll have you say, ah.
Ah.
Okay. I'm going to test your gag reflex. I'm sorry, on both sides. Good. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're going to assess your range of motion with your neck. I'll have you put your chin to your chest and back towards the ceiling. I'll have you rotate right to left and then ear to shoulder on each side. Good. We'll test your range of motion with your shoulders. I'll have you raise them up and above your head. Good. On your side and above your head. Good. I'll have you put it behind your head like you're brushing your hair on both sides. Good. And then I'll have you touch your scapula on each side. Good. And I'll have you move backwards like you're doing a tricep dip. Good. Okay. Now we'll do some testing for rotator cuff injury. I'll start with the standing ones. I'll have you rotate your arms like you're emptying cans, and I'll have you try to don't push against my resistance. I'm sorry. Good. Any pain with that? Okay. I'll have you sit back down actually. And I'll have you rotate this arm all the way up and above your head and let me know if there's any tenderness with that. Okay. this side?
Nope.
Good. Okay. And then I'll have you bend this arm, and we're going to rotate it like this, and let me know if there's any pain there with that shoulder. Same thing with this side. Okay, good. I'll have you flex those elbows, and I'll have you push against my hands. Got any pain with that?
Nope.
Okay, I'll have you put your hands like that, and then I'll have you try to rotate your arms like this, using your shoulders primarily, and let me know if there's any against my hands. Let me know if there's any pain with your shoulders. Good, okay, all right. Then I'm going to have you push against my hands with your thighs. Nope, underneath. Good. That's my hands. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to assess your elbows. So I'll have you bend them, straighten them. Good. I'll have you turn them up and down. Good. Okay. And your wrists, I'll have you, move your hands up like this, up and down. And then side to side. Good. Okay. And then same thing with your fingers. I'm going to have you raise your fingers up and down, just the fingers, not with your wrist. Good. And side to side. And then same thing with your thumbs. Okay. Good. And then I'm going to have you stand up. Okay. And I'm going to take a look at your spine. I'm going to palpate and inspect your spine, looking for any curvature and tenderness. I'll have you bend. Good. And then I'll have you bend backwards. Good. And then I'll have you twist right to left. And then bend right to left. Good. I'll have you take a few steps and I'll just look at your gait. Good. Okay. Now come back. I'll have you put your feet together and I'll have you close your eyes for 30 seconds. Okay, good. And then I'll have you put your arms up, palms up, and then I'll have you close your eyes for 20 seconds, looking for drift. Okay, good. I'll have you lay down. She can be in the way. Sorry about the cat. Okay. I'm going to have you lift this leg up. We're going to assess your hips. So we'll go inward and outward. Good. Okay. We'll go back down. Same thing with this side. Good. I'll have you lay on your belly. We'll check the other side of your hips. I'll have you bend this leg up and then lift up. Good. Okay. Same thing with the other side. Good. Okay. I'll have you turn back around. Okay. And I'm going to check your knees. I'm going to assess your knees for any effusions, tenderness, ballooning. I'm going to assess for some ligament issues here. Okay. I'll raise your knees up to 30 degrees. Again, assessing for ligament injuries. Okay, good. I'll have you sit up again in the chair. I'm sorry, we're going to be doing a lot of back and forth here. Okay. And I'm going to have you extend your knee. Both of them. Yep, and bend them. Good. Okay, I'm going to have you do the same thing with your feet. Flex them and extend them. Good. Okay. I'm going to have you push against my hands. And again. Same thing with your feet. And again. Good. And that reminds me to do it with your hands. I'll have you flex your fingers. And I want you to try to push against my fingers. Good. I'll have you make fists. And I'll have your wrist push up against mine. Good. And then I'll have you try to bend your elbows against my hands and extend them. Nope, downward. Good. Okay. And that reminds me to do another couple of rotator cuff tests. I'll have you bend those arms again. And I'll have you push against my hands and let me know if there's any shoulder tenderness with that. Nope. Okay. And then I'll have you I'll have you put them like this, and then try to turn them that way against my hands. And let me know if there's any pain with your shoulders. Okay, good. Okay. Now, while I have you sitting, I'm going to have you put your heel down your shin with both sides. Good. Okay. I'm going to have you rapidly tap your fingers. Good. And I'm going to have you rapidly put your palms in the back of your hands on your knees as fast as you can. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to do another couple of sensory stuff with you. I'm going to have you close your eyes, and I'm going to have you hold a couple coins, and I want you to tell me what they are.
Quarter, penny.
Good. Okay. Now I'm going to have you, I'll show you this. This is going to be, again, sharp and soft. And I'm going to have you close your eyes, and I want you to tell me where on your body if it's sharp or soft.
Sharp. Soft.
Good. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I want you to tell me where it's happening, or show me where it's happening. Good. Good. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to test your reflexes. Try to relax your knees. Good. And your ankles, your sleepiness. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to have you lay back down again. I'm going to do a couple of tests, and I want you to let me know if you feel any tenderness in your neck. So I'm going to lift your neck up, bend it, and let me know if there's any pain there. Okay, and then we'll bend this leg, straighten it, and let me know if there's any pain. And same thing with this side. Okay. All right. I think we're done. I'll have you sit up again. Because I have 2 minutes to think about if I need to. That's fine. We're going to end here.